Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss about current and voltage in circuit. First we have to learn about a conductor. The material through which electric current can flow easily is called conductor. The conductor have lot of free electron or delocalized electron inside the material. All metals are good conductor because they have lot of free electron which can move from one part of the material to another part of the material. That's why all metal is a good conductor. Then insulator, the material through which electric current cannot flow easily is called insulator. Insulator have high resistance. Inside the insulator, all ions are attached tightly with each other. That's why there is no free electron. Plastic, rubber, dry wood is a kind of insulator. Then electric current. The rate of flow of charge is called electric current. What is the meaning of rate of flow of charge? The amount of charge flowing through a conductor, cross-sectional area of a conductor perpendicularly within 1 second is called electric current. So electric current means number of charge flowing per second. If in a conductor there is a cross-sectional area, then the amount of current flowing through the cross-sectional area perpendicularly within 1 second is called electric current. So electric current equal to I equal to charge divided by time. I equals to Q divided by T. The unit of electric current is ampere. 1 ampere means if 1 coulomb charge flowing through a conductor within 1 second is called 1 ampere. Now voltage. The amount of energy transfer per unit charge is called voltage. Voltage also known as potential difference. So the amount of energy transfer or required per unit charge is called voltage. So voltage V equal to energy transfer or work done divided by charge. So V equal to E by Q. E here amount of energy transfer, Q for charge. So remember the unit of voltage is volt. Short form is capital V.